message interrupting the normal broadcast.
Simple emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fayette County Emergency Management. Around 2 p.m., Fayette County reported a train derailment and large fire near Mount Carbon. A shelter has now been set up for all affected persons at Valley High School in Smithers. Turn on your local radio or TV stations for additional emergency details. This is a winter weather bulletin for the following county, Caswell, Virginia.